Hello coders, welcome back to Daily Coding. Today we are going to solve very important question, subarray with sum 0. Here we have given the array. Let's discuss how we'll solve and what is the strategy for this. Here we can see this is the array and we have to find the value. If subarray will be the 0, then we have to return the true value. Other than that, we need to return the false. Any value should be any subarray. In any array, in this sub array, any value will be 0, then we have to return true. So let's see. So if we'll start from index 0 and then it will be 4. If it will be add by 4 plus 2, it will be 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 equal to 6. And then we'll add 6 minus 3, it will become 3. And then 3 plus 1, it will become 4. And again it will become 10. Here we directly didn't find the 0, but if you see in very careful, our first value is started from 4 and in between it's increased to 6 and then it's decreased to 3 and then again it's become to 4. So we can see that if you add this value 2 plus 3 minus 1, it will become the 0. We'll add 2 and then plus 3 minus 3 and then plus 1. So total value will become the 0. So this is the subarray which sum is 0. So in that case we can say that this subarray sum is 0 and we have to return the true value. We'll see the other example. Let's see, we'll take the other test case. Here we have the value. First value is 4. Then we have 4 plus 2, 6. And then we have 0. Then again, so 6 plus 0, it will become the 6. And again, it will become the 1. 6 plus 1, 7. And then 13. Here also we can see the both sum is the same. In the index 4 plus 2, 6 and then here. So we can say that this subarray has the 0 value because both is the same. So what we have, so here how to solve this problem? There is one condition, if some value, any sum value and plus 0, then it will be the same value, means we have the 0 sum in between. If so we'll add this subarray in the map and we'll check the sum. If that specific sum is already exist, suppose I add in this value in the map and we'll check in the map. First value is 4 and this is on the index 0. Then in the map we have second index 6 and then this is on the index 1. So this is the unique. If we check, is this value already exists in the map? No. Then we have to insert it. Again its value will become 3. Here also we are checking its second index and then again it will become the 4. Here if you'll reach the 4, we'll check, is this value available in the map? Yes, it is available. In that case we have to return the true and we will find that we have the subarray with sum 0. Here also is the same conditions. first will be 4 and then it in the 0 index, and then it will 6, and this is one index. Again add 6 plus 0, that will also become 6 only. It will check, is this sum already exist in the map? Yes. In that case, we have to return the true value. So what we have to do? We have to insert inside the map, and then we have to check, is this value already exist or not exist. If it exists, then we have to return true value, either we have to return false value. Let's start writing the code and see how it will be right. So first we have to create HashMap, will be integer, key will be also integer, and value will be also integer. And then we'll add this. Here we'll create one variable sum and we'll assign it as a 0. Now we'll create for loop, integer I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Now we'll check sum plus equal to array of I. If so, maybe in some of case first value will be only 0, so we'll check that one also. If sum equal to 0 or map dot contains key sum, so already sum is exist, whatever the sum will get it. In that case also we have to return true, and if not, then we have to insert this value sum and index in the map. And if our loop will be completely execute and will not find the value, in that case in the end we'll return the false. Let's compile this code and see what happening. Some issue in my internet and it is not working. And let me compile it again. It's unstable. Don't know why. Some issue in my internet and I'm not able to connect. Let's see. Now let me compile the code. And here we can see all the test case is passed, and let me submit this. My internet connection is unstable. And here, yeah, you can see this whole test case is passed. So here what we did, we added value in the sum. We checked it, is this value available in the sum or not. If that value is available, in between whatever the value we added, that became the 0, and due to that we have subarray available with sum 0. So this is the example, and using this approach we can solve lots of other questions also related to subarray of sum or subarray of index. So that is the approach, we have to use it. And then this is the basic sentence, we have to add in the map, and and then we have to put the value, and we have to check contains key, because sum is, we are adding sum as a key, so this key will be available, then no need to again add it, we have to just return the true value. I hope it's very clear, this problem, and you are able to solve this. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section, I'll try to reply and then try to solve your doubts. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you all.